Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to fix camera not working for some apps and services. Method 1, go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go to camera, select camera access. So here we have to ensure that this option, camera access for all apps and services, this option has been enabled. So we have to keep this option enabled. That is a method 1. Then go down, select this app access to camera. Here you can see list of apps that can access camera. If you want to find list of system apps that can access camera, select show system apps. See, these are the system apps that can access camera. Go back. If you are not able to find your app in this list, you can go back to settings. Under settings, go to apps, go to see all apps, then select your app from this list. Let me select this camera app. Go down, select permissions, select camera. So here we have to give that permission, camera access we have to allow here. Select this first option. So these are the two methods to fix that issue. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.